Take your creativity to the next level. Meet Moto G Stylus. With a built-in stylus, you can sketch freely, add handwritten notes to photos, edit images, and more. Explore without boundaries thanks to a 2-day battery. Capture everything from ultra-wide images to extreme close-ups with a versatile 50 megapixels camera system. And do it all on a 6.8 inches max Vision FHD Plus display that brings movies and sketches to life in brilliant detail. With a fast, fluid 90 Hz refresh rate, viewing content is virtually free from annoying lag. Inside, there's an octa-core processor to power your imagination, along with 128 GB of storage to hold what matters most. Features and details. Carrier compatibility. AT&T, VoLTE, Verizon, VoLTE, T-Mobile, VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, video calling, Tracfone, GSM, CDMA does not support, Boost, US. Cellular, Xfinity Wireless, Spectrum, Optimum Mobile. For all carrier compatibility details, please check the product images in detail. Maximum display resolution, 1080 x 2460. Display type, IPS. Form_factor, smartphone. Display resolution maximum, 1080 x 2460. Other camera description, front, rear. Built-in stylus. Sketch freely, add handwritten notes to photos, and edit images with precision using a push-pen stylus. Up to 2-day battery life. Get creative, play games, or binge-watch your favorite series without worry thanks to a 5000 mAh battery. Versatile 50 megapixels camera system. Capture everything from breathtaking ultra-wide images to extreme close-ups. 6.8 inches max Vision FHD Plus display. Bring movies, videos, and games to life, and view your notes and sketches in full HD plus detail. Fast, fluid 90 Hz refresh rate. View content on a screen that's smooth and seamless, virtually free from annoying lag. Octa-core processor and 128 GB storage. Enjoy powerful performance to create effortlessly, and plenty of room to hold everything. Operating system, Android 11. Wi-Fi hotspot ready. Moto G Stylus 2022 offers Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity in 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz for the best experience. In box, Moto G Stylus 2022 10W rapid charger, USB cable, guides, SIM tool. Sensors, proximity, ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope, SAR, sensor hub, fingerprint reader. You can buy using the link in the description.